Who's ready for a salad challenge? Hi, I'm Lexi, and if you haven't heard, I am on a mission to get healthy and lose that gut. As they say, abs are made in the kitchen. So this week, it's all about salads. Salad, 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 salads. Who's with me? Just roll the footage. Simple salad. But it's pretty salad. That is not my bread. That's his bread. So I'm doing good. Just grilled chicken, blueberries, tomatoes, goat cheese, and pickles since my cucumbers went bad. Yeah, I'm a hot mess. 4 years for buying a whole bunch of stuff and not meal prepping. Like I'm off the chain, so I had to stop and get some food. And I have this beauty, which technically, I don't know if you can say it's a salad, it's more a gyro, but I'm not gonna eat the pita bread. You know damn well I'm gonna eat that pita bread. Fruit salad. Chicken wine salad. What? Mushroom salad. Taco salad. Mediterranean salad. Kimchi salad. Is kimchi even considered a salad? It is today. Avocado salad. Shrimp salad. Jerk chicken salad? Ugh, tuna salad. I am so over it, salad. I wish this could taste better.
Did someone wish for a better salad?
Who the hell are you?
Milky Ranch! Milky Ranch! Wherever there is a dry salad, have no fear, because Milky Ranch is here!
Wow, that is good! Thank you, Milky Ranch!
My job is done here. Anytime you need me, you know the name. Milky Ranch!
The salad challenge was amazing!
You go girl.
Yes! I feel great. I am full of energy. And I freaking lost over 5 pounds. Yes! 5 pounds? 5 pounds in a week? Come on, man. Come on. Eating salads. Salads, 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 salads. I had a lot of protein, but the main focus was salads. And it worked. It worked. Now, to be fair, I do a lot of intermittent fasting because I don't eat breakfast. So I would break the fast like around 2 and try to stop eating around 8. And I only drink water. Water, water, water. And if the water got boring, I added green tea, chamomile tea, lavender tea, and lemon. Like, I do not have a problem drinking water anymore, especially after that water challenge. If you haven't already seen that, definitely check that out after this video. But I feel this is a win. I recommend it. So, what are you waiting for? Are you gonna do this? Are you gonna do this with me? Come on. What do you have to lose? Get it? Lose? Weight? No. Anybody? As always, thank you so much for your time. Until next time.
Milk? Milky Ranch.
Milky Ranch.
Milky Ranch.
Milky?
Where's she at, though?